Yes, it is true that chatbots don't know what stuff isn't. This is because chatbots are trained on massive datasets of text and code, but they do not have a deep understanding of the world. They can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, but they cannot always distinguish between what is possible and what is not. For example, if you ask a chatbot to write a story about a dragon, it can do so. But if you ask it to write a story about a dragon that can fly through space, it may also be able to do that, even though it knows that dragons cannot fly through space. This is because the chatbot has been trained on a dataset of text that includes stories about dragons flying through space. Chatbots are still under development, and researchers are working on ways to improve their ability to understand the world. But for now, it is important to be aware that chatbots can sometimes make mistakes, and that they should not be relied upon for accurate information about the world. Here are some tips for using chatbots effectively. Be clear and concise in your requests. Chatbots are better at understanding simple instructions than complex ones. Break down complex requests into multiple steps. This will help the chatbot to understand what you want. Provide feedback to the chatbot. If the chatbot makes a mistake, tell it. This will help the chatbot to learn and improve. Be aware of the limitations of chatbots. Chatbots are not perfect, and they can sometimes make mistakes. By following these tips, you can get the most out of chatbots and avoid being misled by their mistakes.